Hi guys, for today's video guys, samahan ninyo ako guys, magluto po ako ng gulay with tuna flakes. Guys, ito na guys yung kamatis guys, yung hinarbis ko kahapon. Lagay na natin ang tuna flakes. At lagyan natin ng konting tubig guys. Ayan guys, malapit na maluto ang gulay natin with tuna flakes. Ayan guys, luto na po ang gulay natin guys with tuna flakes. And thank you for watching guys. See you for the next video. God bless us all. Bye bye.